sundalo na nakasurvive doon sa gera sa Marawi City. Yan, tignan niyo po si Tatay Digong kung anong ginawa niya. Binisita niya ang mga sugatang sundalo sa ospital. At yan ba ang kriminal na sinasabi niyo? O kriminal siya dahil siya ang nag-utos? Ganon ba yon? Ginawa lang din naman niya ang trabaho niya eh. Kung para sa akin, na ginawa lang niya ang trabaho dahil din naman talaga maraming mga adik noong mga panahon na yun na napakahirap. Naawa sila sa mga adik, pero hindi
better than any of us how important this principle of innocent until proved guilty is.
Look, Padilla said 2 years ago, there are 3 million addicts in this country. That was the last figure. Nobody cared to find out. Now it's my time. So, 2 years ago, between 2 years ago and now, how many do you think were hooked into drugs? Let us give it incremental increase of about, just be liberal about 700,000. So 3,700,000. And the confirmed 600,000 now was surrendered and took the test for drug addiction. How do you call it? Just a problem? Is just a police problem? Or is it really a crisis for this country? It's not even epidemic, my friend. It is pandemic. So what am I supposed to do as a president? Empower the military and the police, for after all, they are there to protect the integrity and preserve the people of the Philippines.
At the risk of gun law, sir.
It can happen. It happens in America. They're shooting the blacks there. It shows on TV. It shows on TV. What's the difference between America and the Philippines? Nothing. So what is surprising here is surprising to us. We say policemen, they're shooting a black guy there. How many times had it happened in the past? That's why you have the violent demonstration. So, would it surprise you and me? Almost the same. 1 case only, 3 cases here. So what? It involves the same principle. Say for every 1 black there dead, you have about 5 here. And so, does it make this world more livable because there is less killing? When you shoot a black there dead, what is that? Is that not appalling? When you bomb Syria and Iraq and you kill communities and you kill children and old people and hospital, what is it? And why is it that United States is not doing anything? I do not read anybody in that stupid body complaining about the stench there of that. Look at the iconic boy that was taken out from the rubble. And he was made to sit in the ambulance. And we saw it. So what's the difference? Life of a criminal, or maybe he was really rubbed out. We cannot discount it. But what do you think that Americans did to the black people there? Is that not rubbing out also? I say, well, it was just one community there, one state of America. Well, but you have there about 10. So what's the difference? Are we here for the counting or the basic principles of human rights? Almost the same.
You, as a lawyer, know
Yes.
better than any of us how important this principle of
Kalanan ko na ginawa ko man ang lahat sa panahon ko para may konting katahimikan at mapayapa ang buhay ng Pilipino. Assuming na totoo talaga yung naririnig ninyo. Bakit ko ginawa yan? Para sa sarili ko? Para sa pamilya ko? Para...
Hello guys, tignan nyo yung mga pulis nung pagdakip ni Tatay Digong. Yung mga sundalo nag-iyakan. Tignan mo mga babae yan, mga babaeng sundalo. Kasi alam nila kung ano ang ginawa ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So napakasakit din sa kanila na nangyari at siguro may alam na rin sila. Kaya mahirap din kasi kailangan nilang sundin. Yan. Yung mga sa time ni Tatay Digong nung siya pa ang presidente ng Pilipinas, yung lalong-lalo na yung sa gera ng Marawi City, yung mga sugatan, yung mga survivor, pinasakay niya yun sa pinapauwi ng Maynila ata yun. Pagkatapos binigyan siya mismo ang pumunta doon na nagbigay pugay sa mga nakipaglaban ng mga sundalo doon sa Marawi City. Diba? Napakalaki ang tulong na itulong former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Di ba? They want prolonged standoff. Oh, tignan nyo guys. Wala akong malalang may ginawa akong kasalanan. Ayan, si Polong. This is a political maneuver. Kung walang warrant of arrest, nasa ilalim ng, ayan. Ang bilis kasing tumakbo, kaya hindi ko maano. Ang naong sa animal, ang karindot, iduok, atay. Statement of Senator Bongo. Ayan. Ito, i-share ko itong lahat sa inyo para malinaw. Ayan. Kinuha ko ito sa Presidential Tracker. Ayan, naka-ano po ito, naka-MyD. Ayan. Walang hiya ka talaga, Budol King. Ayan. Sising-sisi talaga ako kung bakit ako nagpa-registered para sa Marcos na ito. Ang akala ko kasi malaki ang pagbabago ng Pilipinas dahil sa marami siyang mga pangako noon. At saka of course, BP Sara Duterte. Naubo tuloy ako guys. Excuse me. So sa nakikita kong balita ay pumunta na po si BP Sara Duterte doon sa Netherlands. So abangan na lang po natin. Okay? Nakakaawa si Tatay Digong. Bakit ganon? Bakit ganon si Marcos ngayon? Ang laking naitulong ni Tatay Digong sa pagpalibing ng tatay niya sa libingan ng mga bayani kahit maraming hindi pumapayag. Tapos ganito ang ginawa niya kay Tatay Digong. Sobrang sakit yan guys. Ayan si Kitty Duterte. Yan. Sobrang sakit, hindi ba? Sobrang sakit nga. Grabe yung ginawa nila eh.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Rosalie Sivileros 13.